Alright, y'all, we back with another one. Gonna open this one up. Let there be lights. None of the mystery packs. Let's see what we got here. I guess I'll start off with this small pack. This one. Let's see. What kind of fire pack is this? Oh shit. You know who that is. It's that rookie. Rookie. That's fire right there. That's nasty fire. Let's see what the back look like. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, that's definitely fire right there. Alright, we're done with that one. Let's go ahead and let's open this little small pack. So what's in this one? See what kind of fire we got up in this one. Let me see something real quick. Let me adjust this camera a little better. Alright. Ooh. That's it right there. Some fire packs right here. You know what this is. You see that? Fire packs. Let's open this up a little better. Get this open. Oh yeah. Some Pokémons. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Y'all let me know which one's fire. These ones right here, or these ones, or this little pink pack. Y'all let me know. I'm gonna open these though. It's gonna be another video. Oh, I might open it this video. I don't know. We're gonna see. But let's get to the next one. Let's get to the next pack. I think I'm gonna open this box first. I mean this box next. Let's see where my knife at. Alright, let's see what's in this one right here though. Let's see what we got. What kind of fire we got up in here. Let's see a little better. Alrighty. Let's see what we got up here. What is this? Something big and heavy. That's all I know. That's all I know. Oh. Oh, this looks like it's, oh. Damn. That's fire. Damn, that's, oh, what year is that? 69. Wow. This one. 1932. Isn't he a president? Y'all tell me. That's his name right there. I think this fool was a president. That's heavy. For an old card. Let's see. What we got right here? Ooh, that's some fire right there. That Marvel. Yeah, that's fire. That's definitely fire. That was a fire box right there. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all tell me if it's fire or not. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look how long this card is. That's crazy. It's made by Topps. I think this dude was a president at one time. That name sounds so familiar. Alright, that's it for this one. That was a firebox. You can't even lie about that one. Alright, we're down to this one right here. We're gonna open it from the top. Definitely from the top. We open this one. Let's get that one out of the way. Ooh, some more slabs. Some more slabs. Let me get this out of the way. Alright. Bam. Ooh, that Bosa. That Bosa. Well, I can't see the... Oh, it's because it's in this plastic. But yeah, that's that Bosa right there. Fire. Yeah, that's a fire video. I mean, a fire card right there. Look at that. That's beautiful. Another one. Bucks. Bam, another one. Fire. Is this one numbered? I wonder if this one's numbered. The card is so fire, it should be numbered. No, I don't think so. Bam, got another one. Yeah, that's fire right there. It's a rookie too. This one is a rookie too. Bam. Cowboys. I see that name right there. Yeah, I see who it is. It's a rookie too. Bam. 2020. That was fire right there. Definitely. Fire, fire, fire. Alright, y'all. That was a little quick one. A little quick short video. I guess I'll open those packs on the next video. So stay tuned. we'll where those packs at? We'll open these packs up on the next video. So we'll see if we get some fire up in this. Alright, y'all. Peace. Make sure you like, subscribe.